Hello everybody. Today I show you what I just ordered today. I just came today. Okay, let's envelope and see what inside. Okay. Yeah. I just got the Stream Bro SD SCUHDS 64 GB. You can see 64 GB. The speed up to 95 MB per second, megabyte per second. That's 633 Fs. This is a Extreme Pro. Yeah, that's a Pro shows. Con đang quay. Pro shows for reliability, performance, and uncompromising image, and 4K UHD video quality. This is my first time get this, and this one is a 4K. Look at this one, 4K UHD. And then the back. Let me go outside there. The light is it's the brighter. It's easy for you to see. Voila. So I think it's much better. Stream Bro. Let me open the inside so you can see what's inside. It's so brand new. I'll do it later.